Stand in front of a mirror and begin to see yourself. Don't rush through it as you normally would, and try to keep all judgmental thoughts away. Whenever you get the impulse to criticize your appearance, resist it and throw it away. Look into your reflection's eyes. What do you see? Is your reflection angry, sad, content? Notice and allow whatever feeling you see in the mirror flow through you openly. Don't be afraid to let your reflection cry or be angry. These emotions are part of your heart. They are normal and expected. With your eyes, trace your reflection in the mirror. Notice your nose, your lips, your teeth, and your skin. Repeat to yourself the mantra, I am beautiful. If you want, you can hold up one hand and caress your reflection. Slowly, as the negative feelings dissipate, your reflection begins to smile, and so do you. Gently wrap your hands around yourself and give your reflection a big hug. I love you.